Hi, my name is Aman. I'm the owner of Lucid Health and Fitness. Today we did EMS, which is electrical muscle stimulation. So it's 20 minutes where your muscles are being activated. origin is from Hungary. So it's from Europe and it's been around for a very long time. Bruce Lee actually used to use this equipment for his training. It's electrical muscle stimulation, which means that your muscles are actually involuntarily being contracted and activated. Don't touch the joints, it's just muscle based. And it's customized to whatever fitness level that you're at. I love this simply because it provides me what I need, a full body workout in 20 minutes. I want to point out that EMS is for everyone. However, if you have a heart condition, unfortunately you won't be able to do this workout. Also, if you have metal, so sometimes hip or knee replacements, you'll have some metal. It's just electricity and metal, that's. So Jackie and Susie are suited up and ready to go. Let's see EMS in action.
Workout is you really feel it, that weird tingling sensation. I don't have a lot of time to work out, and because of that I actually don't make the time, but this is a 20-minute workout, and doesn't it feel like you just did an hour?
Yes.
Yeah, like very minimal movement. It looks easy peasy. It is not.
And I think my experience was I was surprised that it was as challenging as it was.
Yeah.
Aman was very good with prompting you and directing, reminding you to breathe and shoulders back and relax the shoulders, chest high, all those kind of things. But mine was 20 minutes?
Yeah.
And I was sweating.
Yeah, you were sweating.
It was
the top
hard.
of your feet were sweating. That was really unusual. But it was good because, like, so you also went in, like I went in with tennis elbow, but you went in with
my shoulder. So from that workout, the range of motion in my shoulder increased. So it feels like I've just had some active release therapy done on my shoulder. So it's opened it up and calmed it a little bit. The challenge with the abdominal muscles going and having to breathe at the same time, 1 foot bilateral working on balance, breathing. It was really good.
It looks way easier than it actually is, eh?
Yeah, no, it really does, because there's so much going on in your mind to body. There's so much going on that you have to be aware of how you're moving your body with these electrical pulses, involuntarily moving it and breathing.
Only do this once a week, right? Because your brain has to adapt to it.
Right.
Because like she said, our brain is
Central
all jumbled up.
System.
My brain is like, what was that? We just worked out.
What happened?
And we're in Yorkville. We didn't go shopping? What happened?
No.
I would say, the EMS workout, this was through Lucid Fitness, and we have more info that we'll share below, but it's honestly for any level.
At 99 New York.
She'll adjust it to, from like someone who's just starting out to someone who's a pretty seasoned, athlete.
Or if you're intimidated or not too sure about lifting heavy weights or going into a gym to lift weights, this will give you those same stress factors as weightlifting will.
Actually, that's a really good point. You are forced to do the movements properly, which in a gym, I wouldn't probably do that, which is probably how a lot of people get injured, right?
Right, or they don't do it at all because they don't know how to and they're afraid to.
And the outfit makes a really good Halloween costume. It's badass.
Yeah. It was good. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
I would do that again.
I would totally do that again.
I think you should try it out. I highly recommend.
Yep, I give that one a big thumbs up.
Yeah.